So I selected Google Forms as my assessment tool, what I would be using. So as you know, my theme is about farm and it's for kindergarten point of view, so that's why these questions are so simple. And to write up each question, I used my lesson objectives that I wrote a while back. So that was these. They needed to be able to name some animals. They also need to be able to talk about what plants need to survive and then know like what baby animals look like versus their adult self. So my first question was, what animal is this? Picture of a cow. They had three options here. Next one, which of these do plants not need to survive? Again, three options. And then which of these is this animal as a baby? So here's the three options. So if I wanted to make it longer and add another question, you would come right here and click Add Question. And then once you add the question, it put it up here. I could type in any of my questions. If I want to do another, what animal is this? And then you type whatever your response is going to be right here. So whatever. And then you can add another option. Keep filling those in. If you want to add an image, right here is what you would click. So you can add an image. You have lots of options of how you want to get your image there. Same thing for each of your responses if you want to add an image. And then, like this, for example, I don't want, so I can delete it. And I went ahead and I had it sent to 4 different people and had them fill this out. So right here I can click my responses and actually see what everybody picked. So for the first one, everybody picked cow. Second one, everybody picked bugs. Third one, everybody picked the picture of the pig. So as you can see, they all got all of them right. So I really do think that would be a really quick and easy way to get questions answered in class.